Dodge bombshells. Charger, Challenger gone by 2024. EV arrive as soon. Now this is taken from an article published from MotorTrend on November 22nd, 2021. A busy next 2 years sees Dodge planning an EV, plug-in hybrid, and a third significant new vehicle. Now, we know just how serious Dodge is about reinventing American muscle for the electric vehicle era. Early in 2022, we will see the first Dodge electric muscle car concept, followed by a plug-in hybrid and a third significantly new vehicle. There also will be a gas-powered buzz vehicles for enthusiasts in the lead up to 2024 when the first EV will hit the road. But Dodge will stop production of its current pair of high-octane muscle cars, the Challenger Coupe and the Charger Sedan, in 2 years and replace them with the new cars on a new platform. Dodge brand CEO Tim Kuniskis only just announced in July that Dodge would have its first pure EV in 2024. We kind of thought we would have to wait a while to see just how Dodge was going to tackle the future. Turns out we were too patient, because the future, at least for Dodge, is almost now. Here's the big news in a nutshell. 1. The first electric vehicle muscle car concept will be revealed early next year. 2. The plug-in hybrid car will go into production by the end of 2022. 3. A third significant new vehicle is in the works. 4. Electric vehicles will wear the Fratzog symbol. 5. More buzz models for gearheads are coming, along with direct connection parts and kits. 6. Current lineup of muscle cars will end production in 2024. Dodge Power Brokers. Dodge will start with a pilot project of 100 dealers at launch, and when Kuniskis is confident he can get the volume of parts he needs, he will expand the number of dealers. Look for Dodge to rebrand race cars and events as powered by Dodge Power Brokers. Dodge has performed surprisingly well despite how its lineup appears on paper. Each new special edition has provided a sales boost at little cost. The aging bones upon which Challengers and Charging ride paid for themselves long ago. Under Kuniskis, love of the brand remained kindled at the Challenger in particular, is on pace to record one of its strongest sales years. Dodge does not need a business plan to impress investors. It needs a product plan to entice buyers. Never Lift is a 2-year plan to instill confidence that the brand is here for the long haul, Kuniskis says. It will show a clear path to electrification and is intended to not lose the muscle car crowd in the process. I have 2 years to give them confidence it will be okay.